Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a policeman step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I draw his face, starting with his eyes and his eyebrow. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. Draw his ears. I continue with his police hat. Draw his hair. Then I draw his body. First, I draw his police suit. I draw his hands. His hand is holding a mobile phone. The policeman protects the safety of our lives. Being a police officer is a very respectable job. Do you want to become a police officer in the future? Now I'm going to use this black marker to paint this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I color his hair brown. Then I use gray and dark blue to paint his police hat. I also color his police suit with gray and dark blue. Black. I color his mobile phone black. Cream for his skin. job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.